Hello everybody! Again, this is Angelino, and today, like I said before, this video is about unboxing a box that I have a lot of smartphones inside. Okay, this is a good and a big smartphone, a big box that I have all these smartphones in there. A lot of them. There are old smartphones, there are new smartphones, and things that work, things that not work, and I already checked them out and I know what's working, I know what's not working. I will show you every smartphone inside. There's are a lot smartphones. You just tell me your comment below what's your idea about what I did. If it cost me $700, does it worth it? I can't fix them up because I'm a smartphone technology fixer, technology. Okay, so I can fix them, I can open them up, change their screens, and a lot of things that I can do. I don't have a problem with that. Just tell me if the price was right to buy them. Okay, so before we start, don't forget subscribe and like my video. Leave a comment below if you like to, and let's start the video. Okay, you can see here we have lots of smartphones, lots of them. Okay, also smartphones that iPhone, Samsung, a lot of them. They are all original. So let's start with the first one. If I correctly, this is not 8 or 9, I think 8. Okay, it's not working because the screen is broken, so it will not work. I already charged it and tried it, it didn't work. So this is number one, smartphone number one. Okay, let's go here. There are here two smartphones that is iPhones. I don't really understand iPhones, I don't really like them. There is one that is iPhone 4S and someone at iPhone 4 original iPhone 4 and original iPhone 4S. So they does work. Okay, they have a lots of stuff inside, so I will not show but it does work. And let's see how it turns on. I don't really remember how it works. I don't know if it have a battery inside, but okay, I don't think it's have a battery. I need to charge them up. I need to search for an iPhone 4S to charge it. Okay, they does not work, so I need to charge them up and see. Okay, that's not important that much. Okay, this is two iPhone smartphones. Here is another Galaxy S4. You can see it. Broken glass. It will not work. Okay, it will not work. I already tried it. There's some smartphones that don't have a battery inside. The battery is like a new one. It's a good battery. I can fix this smartphone if I want to, but I don't really like to. So this is the 4 smartphone. Let's see here. This is a HomeTom smartphone. This is Chinese smartphone, China smartphone, not original smartphone. If you search HomeTom, so you will see what I'm talking about. This is a China smartphone that I have here. So HomeTom HD3 Pro. You can check it out if you like to. I don't know if it's new or not. Like you see, made in China, blah blah blah. I don't have a battery here. So this is another one. This is a Galaxy smartphone also. I think it's Galaxy 3, and I think it does not work. No, it does not work also. Let me check it out. Let's see if this one have a battery inside. have a battery inside. Okay, this is another one that I will check again. I remember some Galaxy works, but I will have to check it again and see. I have this box something like a week. This is Lenovo. You can see it's a nice one. Okay, a broken glass also does not work. This is the power on, does not work. Let's see this one, Qboot. This phone does work. It's a nice phone, but it have a problem with the touch, so I will show you that it will work. See, it needs to be charged. Okay. It needs to be charged also. Wait a moment. You can see Qboot does work. This is the proof. Okay, this is the Qboot. You can see the blue light here, and if I press on the power button, you can see 1%. Okay, that's good. It does work. That phone does work. So let's keep on going. This is another smartphone. This is Galaxy 5, Samsung Galaxy 5. Have a battery, but it is broken glass, so it will not turn off. It will turn off, but you can't see anything here, so it's working. But you don't have a screenshot here. So what we have here, an LG. I don't really know what this smartphone is exactly. Let me try and see. This is LG with battery. It has broken glasses. You can see here. I don't really know what this smartphone is, but I see it's the original. You can see the broken glass. Okay, you can see this. So let's go on. This is the smartphone Galaxy S4. This is the one that works. Okay, let's try it. Again. Okay, let me try to charge it. One moment, we'll see. Okay, we'll let it. We'll try it later. I think this smartphone is the screen is shut down. The screen is not broken. Fired up. Okay, it does not work. Let's see the S3. I know that some of them does work, but I didn't charge them, so I don't really know what kind of smartphones that works, what kind of smartphones does not work. I don't really remember. So let's see here what we have here. Also Galaxy 3, you can see Samsung. Let's see if this starts up. Yes, this is working with broken glass, but it's working. You can see it's working, okay? Touch is fine. Okay, this is a good phone, okay? One that works. Great. Let's go in here and see what we have here. We have here a smartphone, Samsung, and it's very, very old, I see here. Okay, I don't know if it's working. I don't know if it's really working. I need to try and charge it later. Okay. Let's see another one here. Another Galaxy S5. It does not work also a screen problem, so I don't need to try it as I know that it does have a problem. Here is a smartphone that is Chinese phone. I see here, you can see it's Chinese, not original phone at all. Okay, it will not turn on. I know that, I already tried it. Okay, this is my Galaxy also smartphone. I see that I have lots of smartphones that are from Samsung here. Okay, that's cool. That's original Samsung J7, I guess. Let's see if it's working. Yes, J2 core, sorry. This is Galaxy J2 core. Okay, it's not a broken glass. This is the template glass, so it's not the broken glass. The glass is very clear and not broken at all. This is the temporary glass. You can see here, it's temporary glass. Okay, it's working great. That's good. Let's see, touch. Okay, it's working great. That's another one that's working. Okay, let's see here. It's a tablet that have a broken screen also. It does not work. I already tried it. From Unidin. I don't know this operation, but okay. Okay, let's see here. It's MI. That's Xiaomi. Okay. Let's see if it's working. It's also a broken screen. Does not work. Another one Xiaomi like it, also broken screen, that does not work. Okay, let's see what we have here also. This is Note something, Note 7 maybe, I don't remember what is this Note is, 7 or 8. I have already shown you Note 8 or 9. Okay, let's see if this works. No, this is not working. The last one but not least, this is from Sony Ericsson. It also does not work. This is the last one, Galaxy Note 4. This is Core something, I don't really remember. Let's see if it's working. I don't think it's working. Okay, so okay, that's all we have today to show you. You can see I have lots of smartphones that I'm showing you right now, and you can see it's a lot of smartphones. These two are working great, and I remember that I have someone of Galaxy 4 that is working also, but I don't remember what one of them, because I need to charge them. And this is the phone that also works. So I have 4 phones that is working without a problem. Just the keyboard is a problem with the touch screen, but it's okay. Okay, this is the lots of smartphones, like you can see here. It's a lot of smartphones. So this is what I got for $700, but I will fix lots of them and I will sell them on eBay or for friends if I want to. So I will get this money back and a lot more, I know that. Every one from them I can sell for $100 and more. So this is all of the video right now. I wish you liked this video, and if you like it, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel so you will get more stuff like this, more beautiful videos. And thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.